Arts and crafts provide a vibrant and dynamic avenue for learning in home education, blending creativity with skill building across a range of subjects. By engaging in hands-on projects, children not only develop artistic expression, but also strengthen critical thinking, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. Let's start with art itself. Through drawing, painting, sculpting, and other creative endeavors, children explore color theory, composition, and artistic techniques. They learn to experiment with different materials and tools, gaining confidence in their ability to express themselves visually. Art history can also be incorporated by introducing famous artists and movements, sparking inspiration for their creations. Mathematics is naturally embedded in many crafts. From measuring and cutting materials to exploring patterns and symmetry, arts and crafts activities provide a practical application for mathematical concepts. Younger children might practice counting beads for a bracelet, while older learners can work with proportions and geometry in design projects. Science comes into play when exploring the properties of different materials. For instance, experimenting with how various paints mix to create new colors introduces basic chemistry. Papier-mâché projects demonstrate the interaction of glue and paper, while clay work can lead to discussions about natural resources and their uses. Crafts also lend themselves to history and culture. Traditional crafts, such as weaving, pottery, or calligraphy, can provide a window into the cultural practices of different societies. Creating art inspired by historical periods or famous works allows children to connect with the past in a hands-on way. English skills are fostered when children write about their projects, describe their process, or even create stories inspired by their artwork. A simple art project can evolve into a storytelling session, encouraging imagination and language development. Geography can be explored through crafts that celebrate global cultures. For example, making Aboriginal dot paintings, Japanese origami, or African masks introduces children to the traditions and artistic heritage of different regions. Critical thinking and problem-solving are key components of arts and crafts. Children often need to plan their project, decide which materials to use, and troubleshoot when things don't go as expected. This builds resilience and encourages innovative thinking. Arts and crafts also encourage collaboration and social skills. Working on group projects or sharing ideas helps children learn to communicate, negotiate, and appreciate others' perspectives. The beauty of arts and crafts is their flexibility. Projects can be as simple or complex as needed, tailored to your child's age, interests, and abilities. For younger children, finger painting or cutting shapes can be a fun introduction to creativity, while older learners might enjoy advanced projects like designing a model, sewing, or creating digital artwork. To incorporate arts and crafts into your home education routine, start with accessible materials like paper, crayons, glue, and recycled items. As your child's skills and interests develop, introduce new techniques and mediums, such as watercolors, fabric, or even digital tools. Beyond the educational benefits, arts and crafts create a sense of accomplishment and pride. Displaying their creations or gifting them to others reinforces their efforts and builds confidence. By weaving arts and crafts into your home education journey, you provide your child with a rich, multifaceted learning experience that nurtures both their creativity and their understanding of the world. In the end, it's not just about the finished product. It's about the joy of discovery, experimentation, and self-expression along the way.